Hello and welcome to another update video on AVAX. Yeah, the AVAX chart continues to be in this upside, in this grind to higher prices. I want to take the opportunity to answer a question from one of our members from the community chat on Discord in this video, so we want to take a look at that. Yeah, but we'll start here with the 4-hour time frame, bigger picture. Today, AVAX is up a little bit. Okay, let me see if we can actually, grab that. Slight upside. Overall, crypto sector rather muted, more sideways. AVAX, one of the daily winners. Nothing major going on here with AVAX, but slightly up for the day, which is something that other cryptos have not managed to do today. So I'm still tracking this potentially here as part of a diagonal structure in a C wave, which started on the 22nd of June. So I'm still tracking here higher highs and higher lows, like this. And what I explained to you over the last few days is that my next, so first of all, the support area, which was already tested here on Friday the 26th, the support area is between $27.26 and $23.30. It could easily be tested again. This will become less likely if we can get a micro 5-wave move up from the low. And also, as long as we're holding micro support levels, which I've added to the chart as well, we're going to take a look at them on the 1-hour time frame in a minute. I also talked to you about the next ideal upside target, which is around $47. There is the 100% Fibonacci extension target, located at $47. That is the 100% extension of the initial A wave to the upside, and we compare that with the C wave to the upside. That gives me an ideal target, because an A wave and a C wave within this third wave, they tend to have the same length. And as I said, this level is around $47. So that's what I'm tracking here for AVAX. That gives you the next upside projections. It gives you support and micro support we're going to talk about right now in a minute. Also, next resistance maybe, because resistance is not a target. 47 is what the C wave should ideally do. But on the way up, it's unlikely that AVAX is going to move in a straight line. So the area around $35, $36 could provide here some resistance. Okay, this is where we found resistance before, here around the 23rd, 18th of September. Now that takes me to the question of one of our members. And the question was, could this be already, a 5-wave move up or not? I've labeled it as alternative scenario, that we already have 5 waves up. Yeah, alternative wave 1. This means we have 5 waves in wave 1. Pullback could be a wave 2, and as long as we're holding the $28 level, the focus can be on higher prices. This is because it is possible that we already have 5 waves. It's just not very clear yet. Okay, and it looks more like, I don't know, more like a 3-wave move to me, yeah? But I'm going to show you. And because I cannot rule out that we get another wave 2 pullback here, we have to allow for that, by adding support at $28. So for example, if this indeed is 5 waves, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in one, then the next pullback could be a wave 2. But something is a bit off here. I'd say we really only have 3 waves, and I think wave 4 might still be unfolding. And what I see on many other crypto charts is this: A, B, C. So this is my take here. Why do I not like to call that 5 waves up? Because it just doesn't align with Fibonacci proportions. See, the other count would be wave 3, 4, and then 5 here, and that gives me 5 waves. And you will find people out there who can label that 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the proportions aren't great. In this way of labeling, the third wave did not get to the 138% extension, which is my ideal target. So from that point of view, I'm not convinced that we have actually reached 5 waves. I mean, having it even having the third wave here is a bit speculative, because even that hasn't reached 138% extension, but it's better, and it's what other coins have done as well. So I think we need to keep the door open for maybe a small pullback correction over the weekend here. Yeah, maybe we can get a wave 4 flat correction over the weekend. But if we go really, really deep, it becomes more likely it's already a wave 2. Below $28, the upside reversal attempt has failed, and we're likely going for another low in the larger support area here, which is between 23.30 and 27.26. That gives you everything you need to know here from a structural point of view. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates on AVAX and other coins and charts and even bonus updates on gold and silver, then check out our gold membership. I'll put a link in the video description for you, together with a 50% discount code for the first month. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.